You happy? No comment. Just out on our holidays. Yeah, we've had a bit of a break on the vlogs because you know, it's family time, Christmas, New Year's, all that. Yeah, the family came down to Lorne and Torquay for a break. We just cut through one of the sections of the Tundra's first 4V experience. Got our first river crossing. It's a pretty big river. Good time, good time. 4 high, few right. Hold on, guys.
No more. You're over it because it's too wide. I'm pretty sure you're over it. No dirt jumping. No dirt.
Howdy guys, back at the shop. First day back after holiday break. So what's up? Corey's started building RB20 motors for the P32. Got the S13 giveaway, it's getting picked up next week. Go to this new owner, 34. Got to get some wiring fixed and gasket fixed and she's good to go. And then as you saw the last video of the 33 making its bulk power, so that'll be next, getting the fuel system done. Until our first event back on January 22nd, the first Friday night drift of this massive year ahead. So some exciting things. You probably can't see now, but we've got a new cameraman. Turn that shot around, boy. We have the magical Tom Shepard. He's actually done a lot of our videos before. Unfortunately, Jordan, he's got some different plans this year, but it's worked out well because Tom's starting with us full time. So we're gonna have the gangster quality edits of all the events, the vlogs, everything's gonna keep the mad qualities, which is awesome. And we've actually got someone else joining the team in the next couple of weeks. It's, yeah, it's a massive year, so you can wait to find out that one when he arrives. Shut your ass, Corey. You don't know anything. Been a slow day setting things up and I'm over it, so pack her up, boys. We're gonna go driving range and smack some balls in the dash and get you done, boy. She's a bit busier than expected.
Yes.
25 minutes. Yeah. Look at that. Got the jizzler. Oh yeah! Fucking bad, look at that. The real P-plate reveal. He's got the sideways P-plate and hidden in the tint there. True. It's got the coloured in tyres. Added HPs. Oh yeah, he's got the nice extended shaft knob. When he breaks down, he's got his cars, you know. Wouldn't mind those set of headlights. We swap them with the black headlights on the sedan. They're the Xenon ones apparently. I think they're like 1500 for the pair.
Even take the bar.
Oh yeah, bar's not bad too. All those indicators look pretty handy. That fits my bar. Anyway, we've paid him out enough that he deserves a stacker. There you go, it's done. Hopefully he thinks it's a fine. Location, relocation. The other place is too busy. Take two, take tizzle.
Right, this one's
Action. No 34s in this car park. Does been here a while?
I've got it in here 14 years.
Yeah, not long ago.
new
We're on the
residents.
station. Your team.
Literally hit right there. You see that sign?
That's it, huh?
I'm knackered.
Back right, that's the day. That's a good day on the job. First day back.
First day
Didn't
back.
get old mate in the Astra, but Corey got him, bounced off the ground, got him on the ASN, almost broke his tail up. That would have been a bad day for him. No roadworthies, grassworthies. Thanks for watching, Gary's. Got a big year ahead, so make sure you tune in. Make sure you like my ass, subscribe my ass, get around it, Corey's ass. And now, Tom Shepard's ass. Yeah.
Right!
Oh, I farted. I'll draw this up.